Hello, online geography students. This is Mr. Clark again. I am making a short little video just to kind of show you how my Canvas page works. I have also created an online doc. If you're not really into watching these videos, you really need to watch the weekly video. I keep them really short. They're about 7 minutes tops long, and that's all you have to watch for a whole week. There's usually about 2 or 3 assignments. Yeah, so anyway, if you want to just look at the doc, how to use my geography Canvas course, it's really simple. 80% of your grade is assessments. I'm really interested in your learning, and that's why I do this, is 80% of your grade is assessments. It's either projects or tests. 20% of your grades are the assignments that lead you up to those projects or tests. You might think, well, I'm just going to do the test. Well, the problem is you're not going to do great on the test unless you do the assignments. So that's the whole point of the assignments. There are 2 key ways to find your work. There's the weekly slides on our homepage, and there's modules. So the slides down here, each week I create a new one. Last week there was no work to be done. And that's why I have this picture. It says no new work, happy fall break. The week before looks like this. There's a weekly video. And then this is the first work on our Unit C that will be going on second quarter. Each week I say what work is due that Friday, as well as there is a video to say what you need to do. If you want to do well in this class, it's just really easy to watch the video and I explain the work in detail. So that's it. That's the 2 things you need to know. The weekly slides say what's due each week, and then if you're just wanting to like see a different way of the work, like I said, the assignments are usually first in a unit and then they lead up to a project. And that in Canvas is called modules. So if you don't see it this way and your brain thinks like, well, I want to see this assignment that leads to this assignment, leads to this assignment, you can do that, no problem. I am very particular about the way I set up my modules. So they're organized by unit. Right now we're looking at physical Earth. Physical Earth went from Sun-Earth relationships and latitude, climate graphs. Then there's a review that reviews all the information we learned in these 4 things. And then finally there is a quiz. Now, to make this very simple, if you just click on the first assignment in the module, which is Sun-Earth relationship, you do the Nearpod. By the way, just real quick, some of you haven't been doing the Nearpod. You just click next through until it's over, and you don't get credit for that. You have to answer the questions. You have to do the drawings. If you don't do those, you don't get credit, and I tell you to redo it. So if you're in a Nearpod like this, you keep your name as what it is so it can talk to Canvas in the right way. And then you just click next after you're done with that assignment. I mean, you wouldn't click next until you're done with the Nearpod. You really need to click through the Nearpod. You need to do the portions. But once you're done with that assignment, then you click next, and it just takes you to the next assignment. Once there aren't any more assignments, you're done for the week. That's it. Make sure you're clicking the submit button, not on Nearpods, but the Google Docs assignments like this one, Latitude it'll have an assignment like this. You can click on it, open it in a new tab so it's a little bigger, something like that. May take a second to load sometimes. And then for you guys, there's a blue button right here that says submit. You just click that submit button, you turn it in. So just as I outlined in this doc, we've got our weekly slides on our homepage and modules. I've kind of broken down what the weekly slides have. You can actually click on these links to get to the right assignments. And then there's 2 ways to find my weekly video. There's right here where it says video for the week, and then there is also a thumbnail of it as well. And then I talk you through the modules in that doc, as you can click next. That's it, guys. I've really tried to design my course to be as simple as possible. If you have any more question, please send me an email or Canvas message. I kind of prefer Canvas messages, but honestly, it doesn't matter. I'm on both all day, every day. I hope this is helpful for someone. If you have questions, reach out. I'm here. I'd love to help you out. I hope that's it. If you have any more questions, please let me know. As we say here at Fort Harriman, we love you, we care about you, and make it a great day.